Don, overall first impressions so far?
Well, the workability when it's cold is seems to be very good. Now it's just a matter of seeing over time how it's going to hold up.
Great.
I mean, we've rolled it, we've spread it out, compacted it. As you can tell, we did about three passes over it, so time will tell. So this will be a good test for us.
Excellent. Thank you.
This is the utility here at 922 Asbury in Evanston.
Great.
And this was about a 7x14. They did a street sewer repair.
Hey, I'm here with Don Cornelius from Evanston. We did this patch in January of '09. It's now November of '09. Don, you said time will tell, and what do you think's happened with it?
Well, the product worked the way you said. It held up real well. It didn't push out in the summertime, which I thought could happen with the heat. We didn't have the hottest of summers, but it stood up and it performed like you said it would.
And that's how it's looking. It looks as good or better than the hot asphalt that was poured the summer before. Today is October 30th, 2011. This patch was installed in January of 2009. You can see how nicely the patch has held up, and that the asphalt around it, which was paved in the summer of 2009, has had some issues.